Hello everyone, today we will make this very beautiful crochet earring design. For making this I am using pearl cotton threads, starch, pearl stickers. I am using 11 number crochet hook, stud earring hook and scissor and glue. Let's start with magic ring. One chain, one single crochet, second single crochet, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So total 6 single crochet in this ring. Now tight the thread and connect to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 1 triple crochet, 2 times thread on hook in first single crochet, pass through 2 loops, again pass through 2 loops, again pass through 2 loops, 1 more triple crochet in same stitch, one double triple crochet, so 3 times thread on hook in same stitch, pass through 2 loops, one double triple crochet in next stitch, one triple crochet in same stitch, one more triple crochet in same stitch, and 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, connect in same stitch by slip stitch like this. Now I will move in next stitch by slip stitch, again 1, 2, 3, 3 chain, 1 triple crochet in same stitch, pass through 2 loops, again 1 more triple crochet in same stitch, one double triple crochet, so 3 times thread on hook in same stitch, pass through 2 loops, again 2 loops, again 2 loops, again 2 loops. Now one more double triple crochet in next stitch, one triple crochet, 2 times thread on hook in same stitch, one triple crochet in same stitch, and chain 1, 2, 3, connect in same stitch by slip stitch. So we will get this type of petal. I will make one more petal and complete my work. I have completed my work. Now I will cut the thread. Here it is. Now I will add another color at the starting point here with one chain, 2, 3 chain, connect at the top of third chain by one single crochet. In next stitch here on top, one single crochet. In next stitch, 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 one single crochet, one single crochet, three chain, 1 2 3, connect in center of two petals by slip stitch. Now again chain 1 2 3, connect at the third chain by single crochet. Next stitch, one 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 single crochet. In last on the top of third chain, one single crochet. Again chain 1 2 3, connect in center by slip stitch like this. Again chain 1 2 3, connect to the third chain by one single crochet. In next stitch, 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 one single crochet. Here on third chain, one single crochet. Again 3 chain, 1 2 3, connect here at the starting point by slip stitch. Now we'll cut the thread. Here it is. Now I will apply starch back side of this. Now we will make a small ring. So let's start with magic ring. Chain 1 2 3, one double crochet in this ring. Second double crochet in this ring. So I will make total 15 double crochet in this ring and complete my work. I have completed 15 double crochet. Now tie the magic rings thread and connect to the third chain by slip stitch. And now I will cut the thread. Now I will attach stud earring hook back side here with the help of glue. And over this, the layer we made it, and let it dry. Now at the center of flower, I will stick a pearl sticker. Our earring is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.